I just thought this would be a beautiful view right here to do this. Good morning. I'm Jim Beavis from Grace Chapel Church, and I just wanted to do a devotional this morning. I hope you'd take a couple of minutes to listen to what the Lord has to say to us this morning from His Word. And if you look at Psalm 19, verse 1, it says, "The heavens declare the glory of God, and the firmament shows His handiwork." And I thought this was a beautiful view right here to see the river and goes down to the lake and all the scenery, and this is something that God created. And have you ever heard someone say, why doesn't God reveal Himself if there really is a God? I've heard people say that. You probably have too. But as you start studying the Bible Basics, Bible 101, you learn that God revealed Himself. And one way that He revealed Himself is through general or natural revelation. And that's through creation. And this little bit of beauty right here is just a small part that God revealed Himself to us. The heavens declare the glory of God. Isn't that great? Isn't that beautiful? And so God reveals Himself through nature, just one way. And also God reveals Himself through special revelation. What's the special revelation? Through His Son, Jesus Christ. God so loved the world that He sent His only begotten Son, John 3:16. Most everyone knows that verse very well. And so I just wanted to take a moment and share this morning and encourage you to look into God's Word, look into what He tells us about Himself, and look at the way that He reveals Himself to us through nature, but most of all through His Son, Jesus Christ. God bless you. You have a wonderful day, and hope to see you in church Sunday.